Your comfort zone can easily become a comfortable prison. I was having this conversation with one of my therapy clients this morning about the difference between the distinction between staying in your comfort zone, meaning keeping your life kind of small, not setting boundaries because you don't want to rock the boat, not setting limits with people, not talking true because you're afraid someone's not going to like it, or you're avoiding conflict, or you don't want to be rejected. That's one kind of a comfort zone that becomes a comfortable but unsatisfying prison, which is different than creating comfort in your life, caring about how you feel, having nice sheets on your bed, right? Creature comforts are one thing. Psychological and emotional comfort zone, so much of the time gets in the way of what you want to create. In your life, what is your thought about comfort zone? Are you living in a comfortable prison right now? Tell me in the comments.